Hi, so I'm playing with one of a range of battery powered tools from Cobra, and this is one of their range of strimmers. So as you've seen, it can just be used as a strimmer and to do the edges of your raised beds or your lawn or under your hedges or whatever. But it can be multi-directional, so you can twist this and use these guide wheels, which were sort of a tree guard if you were going around a tree so you don't go too close. They become guide wheels and you can actually go along the edge of a bed and use it as an edger, which is really handy, really saves you back with edging shears the way you'd normally do it. You can also tilt the head by pushing the buttons on the end, so it can be adjusted to suit whatever you're doing and whatever your height is as well, because you can adjust the length of the shaft there with a simple screw. Handle at the top, that can be adjusted too, so you can get the right angle for the work you're doing again. And some features which I hadn't seen before on other strimmers, not that I've used anyway. You've got the on-off button here. You've also got Eco and Turbo. The Turbo, very exciting. All the guys would like the Turbo feature. Also gives you a battery meter on the top there. But you get another battery meter on the bottom. So if you push that, little lights tell you how much you've got left, how much power you've got left. It's a nice big lithium-ion battery, 24 volts, so fairly heavy duty. Quick to charge, doesn't take too long to charge up again. Oh, the spool at the end, the really important bit here, automatic feed, so you don't have to keep stopping and feeding it out or bashing it on the ground or anything like that. It'll feed out itself and it'll cut to the ideal length with the little blade. So, you know, really very little for you to do other than get on and cut your lawn. Altogether a pretty good tool.